Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your accounts and network. Sign into the Xbox app with the same Xbox account used on your console. This links your library and settings. Once done, enable network discovery on Android and ensure your console is powered or set to instant on. Open the app and tap the console icon. This begins pairing. Make sure to allow any permission prompts so the app can find and connect to your Xbox. Now you focus on the stream setup. Pair your controller through Android Bluetooth or plug it in. A wired connection reduces input lag, so use USB-C when possible. In the Xbox app, choose console streaming to play from your console, or cloud streaming if you have Game Pass and want Microsoft servers instead. Adjust the stream quality. Pick high when on 5 GHz Wi-Fi for crisp visuals, or balance to prevent stutter. Complete the session setup and launch a game. You should see the controller input and video stream within a few seconds. If you encounter lag or artifacts, run a quick speed test. Aim for at least 10 Mbps and latency under 40 milliseconds, then switch to 5 GHz or move closer to the router. If problems persist, restart the Xbox app, repair the controller, and power cycle the console. One key tip: toggling the console's instant on mode often resolves discovery and stream startup failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.